Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at NASDAQ 100 for this week. We would want to know where this price will be moving for this week. But before I get started, let me first of all show you guys some of the trade we actually took on the Patreon channel on our NASDAQ 100. So this is the dates. NASDAQ 100, we actually took a trade on NASDAQ 100 for the March 16, and we actually made a profit on that. We actually killed the trade. Take a look at the trade. We also had on the 15 on NASDAQ 100. You can see it's March 15 on NASDAQ 100. We actually made a profit on it. We actually killed it. Same thing with NASDAQ 100 on the March of 13. We also had we actually made a profit from this. So these are some of these trades. These are the trades actually took this week. So if in case you want to watch any of them, I'm going to put a link in the comment section so you can go ahead to watch this trade to confirm, right? So basically, the three trades we took on NASDAQ 100 this week, all of them were in profits. We actually made profits on all of them. The thing is that, do we actually have a loss trade this week? Yes, we actually had a loss trade, no doubt about that. But we had more profit trade than our loss trade. And basically, we had no loss on our NASDAQ 100. So basically, all our NASDAQ 100 was actually on a profit. So this is one of the reasons why I'll be putting more focus, and I'll put more focus on daily analysis on NASDAQ 100, US 30, and S&P 500, gold, and natural gas. So basically, you see this top three. This is where I'll be putting more efforts in giving out trade that will be taking high probability trade, especially if you are interested in trading NASDAQ 100, you are interested in trading US 30 or S&P 500. Check the link in the comment section. Become one of my Patreon subscriber. I want you to actually give it a try for just a month. After a month, then you can go ahead and cancel your subscription if you are not okay with the service. I'm going to be putting more analysis. And again, if you want to see some of those trades to confirm if my NASDAQ 100 trade actually confirmed, check this channel, right? Check my channel. Go to the playlist. You see I've actually arranged some of those videos we've actually taken with the dates. Watch all my trade on NASDAQ 100. So far, I've given out more than 10 trade on NASDAQ 100, and I can tell you that how many losses we've had on NASDAQ 100? Only one loss. Seriously, we've had more than 10 trade on NASDAQ 100, more than 10 trade on NASDAQ 100, and we actually had only one loss. US 30, we've had no loss on that, and S&P 500, we had no loss on that. So basically, this is one of the reasons. If you're interested in trading NASDAQ 100, become one of my Patreon subscribers so you get it. Now back to this week. What we'll be expecting this week on NASDAQ 100? I will be expecting another bullish move. So basically, this week we would expect NASDAQ 100 to give us a bullish move. But first, a correction will have to play out first. So where will the correction get to an end to? That is what I'm going to be covering on this Patreon channel. So if in case you are interested in trading NASDAQ 100, you are interested in trading US 30 or S&P 500, especially these three, then definitely this channel is for you. This channel is definitely for you because I'm going to be putting out more analysis on NASDAQ 100, US 30, S&P 500, and a couple of other trades, by the way. So this NASDAQ 100, we expect a correction. We've seen that we've hit our 10th period moving average. There's every possibility that once market opens on Monday, we can start making that bullish move, or markets price might drop a bit. It will actually drop to a certain level before we get another bullish move. So one thing I'll be watching out for on NASDAQ 100 is that this week that we are predicting for, we would definitely close bullish. I mean, take a look at this, right? You can see this last week that we just finished. You can see this massive bullish move. A correction will definitely play out. Then another movement upward. At least we should see this NASDAQ 100 this week actually hit a level of 12,700 and break above it. But every step by step on this movement on NASDAQ 100, I will cover them on this Patreon channel. I mean, if you still want to go ahead to check some of those trades we took on NASDAQ 100, see it's 3 trades and all the 3 of them were actually on a profit. NASDAQ 100 for the 13, we actually predicted its simple move. If we go to the daily time frame, especially you can go there to watch it, right? We actually predicted, okay, NASDAQ 100 will kind of give us like a little bit of a bullish move before it actually dropped. So you can see it on Monday, right? NASDAQ 100 came bullish, went bullish, especially when you go to the 4-hour time frame. We had a little bit of a bullish move, then price dropped. you can see it dropped to a level of 11,600 plus. I actually predicted this level, though I predicted lower than it, though no doubt about that. I predicted lower than it, but I actually talk about hitting a level of 11,600 plus. You can go back to watch it on NASDAQ 100 for March 13. You see, I predicted that move. We would get to a level of 11,600 plus before we start seeing that bullish move, right? First, we will see that bullish move. Once we get that bullish move around, a level of 12,000, then we will see that drop to a level of 11,600 plus, which we actually had at that moment. Then, as time goes on, we started giving more analysis, and these are the trade we had. So you can go there, watch this video, and become my Patreon subscriber, so you get more updates on this NASDAQ 100 for this week. If in case you are interested in trading this pair.